Hi there. I'm hoping everyone is okay today. We're on the third part of how to start the accounting process using a lead sheet. So let's go ahead and proceed. This is our fourth transaction, a tax invoice. So we will label this as our sales invoice, SI. 1. So the sales invoice is our name on the top left side. Our TRN should be there. There should be billed to our customer, their tax number, and also our terms, invoice numbers, and the details of our invoice, taxable amount, the 5%, and this amount in words should be the same with the figures. Alright, so we'll go ahead and make a journal entry. This will become SI0001, and this is on a separate formula, so this would become 0001, and the date is 28 Feb, and then we will debit to our customer. It is Ironman Company, so we will do it. Oh, so we already have it. Okay. Debit to it. And credit to service income. Okay, and this is VAT on sales. Okay. The invoice amount is 37,500. Okay. So the VAT on sales is 1,875. Should be the same with our invoice. 1,875. Perfect. 39375. Alright. It is correct. And this is for All right. And we will transfer these details to our general journal. This will become debit, and that is SI 28.2. And this is here. The amount is that is 39,375. All right. Okay. And this is also 30 days. And after this, we will transfer it to our ledger. Alright. I made a monitoring control for our ledger, so just in case if we have forgotten a ledger entry, then it will remind us that there is something missing. So it always happens since we are using manual accounting entries. So we'll just go back and check what is not answered. That is 53,564.75. Alright, so that is this and this. So we are not able to enter the credit accounts. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. So this part of here is very important. So at least there's some which will remind us just in case if we have forgotten something. Alright. This one, but we're going to transfer this on top because it is 211. So let's see, 211 here. And then we'll create another one. It is Batman LLC. Right, and amount is 3564. Alright, and another one is the owner's account. So it is still a credit ledger. Alright, it's just below. And this is Alright, let's see if it is already done. Okay, so the monitoring control is helping us. Alright, so before we forget another one, let's go ahead and make this. So we will enter a debit account 1211. So that's it, right? This is accounts receivable. And then this. $39,375, and then we will enter a credit account for, so it will be here down. This is the sales. Right, and then this. Doing the manual accounting is actually consuming so much time. So this needs patience. This is 7602. We will copy this. 7602. Right, just down. And this is, sorry, alright, same details. Alright, this. Alright, also this. Alright, so our monitoring control is okay. I think everything's fine. It's here for now. Let's see. Alright, so I think we're done with our fourth set of ledgers. Let's go back and make our fifth transaction. Alright, our fifth transaction is also a sales invoice. So we'll label this right away as 0002. Alright, the same date. If you're wondering what is this for, only our company and our customer knows what is this codings. Alright. Okay, so before we forget this again, we'll print the sales invoice voucher and then attach in our first sales invoice, and just at the back of this invoice there's also an attachment. For sure it is the purchase order, it is always there, and some other documentaries, and we will attach this all together and put it in our file box. But before that, since we have a new label, sales invoice, then we will make like this. The first box of a sales invoice, we'll cut this and paste it in our file box like this. Alright, so let's go ahead for our second invoice and make a journal entry. This will become sales invoice 2. Oh, the date is supposed to be 28, and this is 2. Right. And this is Spider-Man. Okay. Alright, and our invoice amount is taxable of 22,000. All of these are the same. So bill amount to Spider-Man Limited should be 23,100. Let's see. Yeah, fine now. So we will transfer this record to our general journal. This is 2. Excuse me. And this is on the same description. So we'll just copy this. It's the same anyway. And this is 30. Alright, so we forgot something. The amount is 23,100. Okay, great. So go to our ledger. That is receivable account. So it should be here. Copy this. Oh, it's the same, right? And the same details. Is it done? Okay, great. Another one is since we already have a ledger of the same account, we will just add this 22,000. Okay, this is the same. Alright. Alright, so another one is VAT on sales. Oh wait, spelling is different. Okay, so the amount is, and it is the same details. Let's go check our 1875. That is the VAT on sales. Oh, the first VAT we forgot. Alright, so we'll just put like this. But we'll change this. Copy and cut. Alright. Great. Okay. So now it's done. So we are done with our fifth transaction. Let's go ahead and check. And let's find out. Our sixth transaction is by the way, we need to review if it is done correctly. Alright. Okay. So let's go ahead and continue. For the meantime, I will stop here for now. If you think this channel is helpful, please leave a comment below. It'll encourage me to do more and to do better. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.